Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a 4 bedroom, 3 bathroom house for sale. It is located in a well established neighborhood in Mandeville, Manchester, and about 40 minutes out of Kingston and 3 minutes out of the town of Mandeville. The property is well maintained with a nice gardening area and ample space for gardening. The property has two living areas and also a bar area for entertaining, which can be used for any other recreational activities. The location is ideal for returning residents and for persons looking to relocate to a nice suburban community, which will definitely guarantee peace of mind. The land size is 0.37 acres. Don't wait to call now. Buying a home is a great investment, and this one might just be it. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 55 million or US $348.4 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.